Hi, I'm Rajneesh Togal and you're watching me on Filmy Beat.
He forgiven Priyanka Chopra.
So I don't blame her at all.
Hmm.
And producer Girish ji and everyone told me that
जी.
she doesn't want to work with a newcomer.
Yeah.
अगर मैं उस thought process में जाऊंगा तो मैं शायद अपने आप को ही डिप्रेशन में ले जाऊं.
Do you even now get cold feet when you perform when you have to perform an intimate scene?
Yeah, I didn't really reject it. I just told Bhatt साहब that time कि जब उन्होंने मुझे सुनाई कि सर मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है पल्लवी.
Yeah. So since we were going to come towards you, there are some popular fans viewers question, जो हमने ढूंढ के निकाले हैं. Okay. So we'll ask the first question. Okay. Now the one question, popular question which we got in the comment section is that Rajneesh has done a lot of good work. Okay. लेकिन वो और अच्छा काम कर सकते थे, but due to nepotism, okay, वो उतने अच्छे projects नहीं कर पाए जिसके वो हकदार थे. Yeah. So your reaction on that?
इसका तो reaction मैं क्या दूं? मतलब.
But did you ever feel that people have a lot of notion? But did you ever feel that?
I've never got into the depth of it because I felt कि अगर मैं ये सोचते जाऊंगा तो शायद मैं डिप्रेस हो जाऊं या फिर I will get into procrastinating about the thought कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. तो मैं एक टाइम पे अगर 2, 3, 4, 5 मीटिंग्स भी कर रहा हूँ जिसमें से एक या दो लोग कहीं पे किसी को ले भी लें जो इंडस्ट्री से हो या इंडस्ट्री किड हो, सो इट डजंट रियली बॉदर मी बिकॉज आई फील कि जो भी जिसका किसी को फेवर भी कर रहे हैं तो शायद यार उन्होंने भी डिजर्विंगली वो वहां तक पहुंचे हैं या किसी के कॉल के थ्रू पहुंचे, विच ऑल्सो दैट पर्सन वुड हैव वर्कड ऑन, राइट. और अगर मैं उस थॉट प्रोसेस में जाऊंगा तो मैं शायद अपने आप को ही डिप्रेशन में ले जाऊं. तो मैं कभी वहां जाना नहीं चाहता. And I just kept working.
Right.
And जो मुझे चीजें आई और जितनी चीजों में से मैं बेस्ट चूज कर सकता था वो मैं करता गया. And that's how I've kept working.
Right.
And so last 3-4 years is the space where I've sort of approached the people who I actually want to work with, and that's what I'm doing that.
Right. Okay. I think you only in one of an interview said that you actually rejected Murder. Because at that time you were not very comfortable, with intimate scenes. So the question is, because it became such a huge film and a hit film, of course your debut film, anyway, it was a hit film. But so there are two questions. Do you even now get cold feet when you perform, when you have to perform an intimate scene? And do you regret rejecting Murder?
No, I don't regret saying no to Murder.
जी.
I didn't really reject it. I just told Bhatt साहब that time कि जब उन्होंने मुझे सुनाई कि सर मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है पल्लवी. And
I just want to interrupt. It was such thing that जब आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड थी आज वही आपकी वाइफ है, and it is like one of the prettiest and rare thing in this world. But yeah, please
continue. I told him that sir मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है पल्लवी and मैं अभी परसों मिस्टर इंडिया जीता हूँ. एंड अभी ये जो आपने स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई है इसमें तो मतलब बहुत सारी केसेस हैं
जी.
तो मुझे कहानी बहुत अच्छी लगी लेकिन आई वुड बी एबल टू डू अ किस ऑन स्क्रीन ऐसे. सो ही सेड यार मेरी तो पिक्चर में है तो मैंने कहा सर मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा क्योंकि आई हैव अ कमिटमेंट. सो ही रिस्पेक्टेड दैट एंड ही सेड कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड आई आल्सो डोंट रिग्रेट इट. आई डोंट बिकॉज दैट्स If I had said yes to that, maybe वो suddenly hit बन जाती और वो होता, लेकिन मैं फिर पल्लवी और मैं साथ में नहीं. So I'd rather have that and her with me than only that. तो मेरे को वो I think वो balance बहुत कई बार भारी भी होता है लेकिन वो balance करना मेरे लिए वो बहुत जरूरी है.
Right. But tell me something, when you started, with the intimate scenes, what conversation you had with Pallavi to come to a point that, okay, it is work and this is something which I have to do?
So when I got a call from Mohabbat Barsadeh from T-Series कि यार Creature 3D बन गई है, पिक्चर गर्म नहीं हो रही है, हम एक गाना कर. And they showed me a rough cut of a song. Rough cut is like they've made cuts out of Hollywood songs and things, and they showed me कि ऐसा बना मेरे हाथ से. Then he said कि आप कर रहे हैं. तो मैंने कहा कि I looked at him, I said ऐसे मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया. So he said नहीं, we want you to do it. We've seen some rushes of you and Sunny. पता नहीं वही होगा शायद. And हम चाहते हैं कि आप भी करें. So I said नहीं सर. So he said नहीं करेंगे. He said इतना इसको हम प्रमोट कर देंगे, बहुत बड़ा गाना. And गाना तो बहुत अच्छा था.
जी.
So I went back home. I said, just give me time till evening or tomorrow. I'll tell you yes or no. Because if you're doing it, do it full-heartedly. Otherwise, don't do it.
Yeah.
So then I went back home. Me and Pallavi discussed about it. That, you know, and we discussed actually ki times mein, matlab, so basically times have changed.
Yeah.
And this would be what, 2014, 15 maybe?
Okay.
कि you know times change हो चुके हैं. आज की डेट में हीरो किस is on screen. And it's not that you know that you're doing anything alone. It's you're in front of 20, 30, 50 people. It's a crew. So I think उस space में then we took a call that okay, let's do this and see.
Right.
And then I did it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think वो एक गाने से literally they did that one song and that one song put it in such a way कि वो एक ही गाने में उन्होंने इमरान हाशमी से ऊपर कर दिया मेरे मतलब मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा. That was a big song.
Yeah.
And it took it to another level.
Right.
And but I so उस गाने से चीज ये हुई कि मेरे fans जो otherwise who've seen like a you know like a clean image kind of a space, Raymond space, 90-20 वाली space में, तो उनको वो odd लगा और उन्होंने मुझे बोला, मुझे बहुत सारे messages मिले saying that you know why are you doing this, like you like this. नहीं आप नहीं कर सकते, सलमान खान भी नहीं करते है ना, आप भी नहीं करेंगे ऐसे. It's like that, like hug से. So I you like it also, but then you say कि यार आप मैं कर रहा हूँ ना, I'm just also this a variation in the thing. And yeah, so post Dil Mein Chupa Lunga, which was in Baje Tumo, I did not see like that.
Right. But you know, I don't know. There was a news. I don't know if it's true or not, where it was stated that आपने actually अपनी wife को बताया नहीं था. आपने पहले shoot कर लिया.
Yeah. So which was Dil Mein Chupa Lunga.
हाँ.
Yeah. So Baje Tumo में जो गाना था, that was such कि विशाल was shooting, विशाल पांड्या, my friend, director. जी. And then तब तक हमारी बात ये नहीं हुई थी कि ऐसा song होगा, जिसके अंदर ऐसा होगा. Song है, dance है, वो सब ठीक है. But and then the thing was that we did the song, and then I had, it was there were scenes in it, and then when we obviously it's something which you know it's strange, right? क्योंकि आप बता दो, but वो बताया नहीं, ये सोच के कि ठीक है चलो, it's fine, it's part of the film, it's a good song, and we do it. But no, that was like it was काफी tight time था.
जी. But as an actor, you know, आज आप कितने comfortable हो, or maybe as a husband or a partner,
See,
or do you still like to keep a distance?
See, I think unless it's really part of the script, जहाँ पे वो doable नहीं है उसके बिना, scene के, तो and I understand that I want to do that character, then I'll do it. But if I feel that ये सिर्फ मसाले के लिए या सिर्फ titillate करने के लिए डाला है, then I would not.
But is your wife okay if the character demands?
Yeah, that's my call. See, it's not about Pallavi. It's also me, right? मतलब like if I take a call कि कल को अगर मुझे लगता है कि उस रोल में वो डिमांड कर रहा है और वो worth it है, then I'll do it.
Yeah. Okay. The last question which we are taking, please ask Rajnish, has he forgiven Priyanka Chopra?
For what?
Well, I think it was, I think I googled for that because even I didn't know. Yeah, for that, you know, Yakin, because she said कि उन्हें आपके साथ अभी काम नहीं करना है.
She never said it. So it's
in the news it is like that. Yeah.
So वो news, they've just blown it apart fully. I think it's also her team which would have told the production house. Production house producer told me, and producer Girish ji and everyone told me that she doesn't want to work with a newcomer. Yeah. So I don't blame her at all. Someone is there at their stage, जो भी stage पे career के आप उस time हो, and आपने या आपकी team ने या किसी ने भी ऐसा call लिया हो, तो it's definitely it's strange, but then that's your call. Right. And I frankly I don't keep that grudge at all. Right. Yeah. But what I do is I don't ever say no to work with a newcomer. Yeah. I always am open to working with newcomers. Right. Right. Rajnish, tell me something, after doing all the work which you have done, and I'm sure challenging roles or challenges is a part of your journey, जो हर किसी की journey के होता है. What still keeps you motivated to continue your acting journey, and what are the kind of work which you really want to do sooner or later? See, so what really motivates me is the fact that, you know, I get a kick every time I I've take a new thing on every time I read it, and I'm always, I feel that वो आपके जो अंदर का एक बच्चा होता है, so that excitement is always there. That's what keeps you going, because you want to do something new, you want to bring something new to the audience, you want to use all that you've observed and put it into your character. So I think that motivates me a lot. Plus now I think वो एक बहुत जरूरी.
सर 2 मिनट से मैम 2 मिनट हाँ खत्म है.
So वो I think एक बहुत important factor है जो motivate करता है, क्योंकि वो खुद के लिए ही होता है. Like you want to better yourself, you want to take it to another space, and you feel, and I feel that मतलब अभी मेरे अंदर बहुत कुछ. So I think वो और जो जिस दिन वो रुक गया तो फिर एक्टिंग क्यों करनी. फिर तो कुछ आगे कुछ और करनी.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And the kind of roles you want to do?
So kind of roles that I want to do would the kind of roles that I'm doing now, which will probably come out this year and next year, are the kinds of roles I'm doing.
Lovely.
So I'm getting those kind of roles now.
Right. And I wish इसी तरह चलता रहे. You do get the roles which you deserve and you want to do.
Yes.
Anything you want to say about your upcoming project to the viewers?
So thank you for your wish, and to all the viewers of Filmy Beat and my fans out there, I would love to say that thank you so much for being with me, guys. And also, Udaipur Files is coming 11th July. Do watch it. It's a great film. It's something which tells you where it takes you to the truth behind Kanhaiyalal murder case. Plus उसके साथ में 2025-26 you'll see a lot of me, and you'll see different roles. कुछ एक चीज है उमेश शुक्ला सर के साथ, कुछ रोहन सिप्पी सर के साथ, which is in the pipeline. We'll reveal it to you slowly. And then there's a short film that I've made called Fragile, which is on Fragile X syndrome, जो एक social subject है. It's for the awareness. It's non-commercial. It's purely to give to the society. So वो अगर एक बार जब आप देखते हैं तो please spread the word, because we're trying to spread awareness about Fragile X. And yeah, thank you.